Hi, my name is Yuna. Today we're going to make a video here in our garage. Here, come here, Dad.
Yep, so we are in the garage. I just didn't have room inside of my room to show you something that I wanted to show you today, and which is this box over here. Can you point at the box that we're gonna show today? So we want to work on this box here today, but I just didn't have enough room, so I decided to show my garage and do all the things in our garage. And us Americans don't really store cars in the garage, rather it's more of a storage. So we're gonna get things going, but the lighting isn't quite right. So we're gonna set the lighting up with the equipment that GVM has sent us. So I'm gonna unbox that and set that up first, and then we're gonna get into that part. Do you think that's too heavy? You can bring it. Come on, why don't you put it over here?
Now this is our lighting.
Ta-da!
And I am helping him.
3 lights are now ready and shedding a lot of light. Is it too bright, you know? Is that why you're wearing sunglasses?
Oh my goodness.
If I change light here, it changes light everywhere. You see how it goes dimmer and then brighter. And then I can also change the tone of the color. So this is more bluish, the higher Kelvin value, and then yellower light. I don't think we want that. So we want something like 5,000. How about we change it to red or yellow, green,
pink,
and then blue, pink? All right, let's see if we get pink. We go purple,
pink,
pink.
Yeah, let's do it.
What we can do is on the app.
You were testing that out?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Look, I can connect to this one. Then you see how I can control?
Can I try control? Let me try to do it min.
Let's change the color. You want to do this color? What about party? And all right, so the next thing that we have to do is move this box.
Razer ISKUR gaming chair with bolt and lumbar support, black education, neutral raid, synthetic leather, 4D arm rest, ergonomic lumbar support system.
Well done. Awesome. High five. And let me pause the video right here, as I have forgotten to say a lot of things as a lot of things were going on. What I meant to say is the fact that Razer has sent me this chair to unbox and showcase to you guys, and this is what that video is. So supposedly this is a gaming chair, but I believe it is going to be, what was this word, Ina?
Ergonomic.
As well as comfortable. So I'm planning on using this chair for my office use, which is upstairs. I just didn't want to carry this giant box into a tiny room. That's why we're doing it here. I feel that this chair is going to be suitable for professional use as well, and that's why I kind of asked for a black edition. Do you have something to say?
Yeah, and this chair has like a symbol, like a snake mixed with a dragon. And my dad has like those symbols there on some of his work things in his office room.
Yeah, and that's why it's called Razer. It's their logo.
Yeah, that's the logo of the company that made this chair.
All right, well, let's undo this first. Let's get a knife.
I'm gonna go away from this chair. Why did I see that anyway?
Hold on to that. Hold on to this.
Okay. All right.
Okay, do Do not touch the backrest reclining lever. Oh, so here's the instruction. So you're gonna let me know what to do.
Has a different letter, right, Dad?
Yep. Look.
It's you.
You know, I found the screws.
Yay!
So is that what we need?
Yeah.
You know, we got stickers. So which one is a medium-sized screw?
Get this one or this one, so this is L.
So this is L.
Can I sit in it?
Not yet.
No.
After we assemble it, you're gonna be able to sit on it, okay?
Here.
It's gonna be really tight. You know?
It's so deep. What's it called anyway?
It's a wrench.
Maybe the other way.
Yay! Screws. Long screws.
Oh, I know. It goes, yeah, there.
Can you pass me the drill? Mm-hmm.
I'm not strong as you are.
Yeah, just put it on and I'll push in for you.
Okay.
Is that it? And then what? Put that in there. Watch your finger. That's it.
It looks like a
Can you do it together?
Yeah.
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
It's like making a landing in a spaceship.
All right. How is it, yeah?
Oh, we forgot to put something up here.
You want to do it?
I love putting. Oh, this is soft. It looks like it's a grown up now.
Do you like it? Is it comfortable? All right, the chair is done. Now we're gonna try and clean up the mess.
Sure.
We just noticed something funny. So it says what? The first one, don't sit on the edge. And what was the other one?
No two people on this chair, and do not pull it to a space rocket that automatically that can blast off if you tell it to. Please make sure you take good care of this brand new chair, and also remember to subscribe. Bye.
We're finished assembling finally, and then my another one actually have waken up. So here's another one. James, you want to sit down too?
Hello. I'm gonna sit here for now.
Okay. I think that is it. It's quite hot in here. I'm sweaty, and I think I'm just gonna take it upstairs and then replace my current chair with it and see how this one fits.
And also you can videos on TV because I think my dad might put.
If you have liked this video, please like and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. James, you want to say bye?